Today was a little bit of a question mark gray area, but I told everybody that I do believe that the market actually tries to go green. And I believe that the markets are going to shrug off what happened over the weekend and the stock market would actually go green. This is the analysis that you get from us every single day inside of True Trading Group. The video clip that I'm going to have for you right now is from the pre-market session at around 9:15 a.m. Eastern this morning inside of chat. This is not on the YouTube video. This was actually inside the True Trading Group platform, which is only available. This analysis is only available for members of True Trading Group before the markets open. And then the mods and I trade with them all day from open to close, sharing our screens, giving live commentary, answering questions, calling out our trades, etc. Members are able to follow us along on these trades if they wish. But here's a quick video clip of this morning when I'm telling members that I think this market is going to go green. And then I'll explain to you after we watch this clip, I'll explain to you why that is. There's a lot of uncertainty here with what's going to happen with oil, with what's going to happen with Iran, and with there's so many question marks right now that my initial gut reaction thinks that the SPY pushes back above 430. So there's a quick little video clip. I mean, without me, I'm not going to play you the whole clip of me explain. I went on for about 20 minutes on why I believe the market was going to go green. We can have that conversation here, but you guys can see, you heard me there yesterday, just specifically, you heard me there this morning say, I think the market's going to push back over 430. And this was when we were sitting at 427. Well, here you are, 427 on the SPY. And what happens late in the day, we make a nice strong push up to 432.5, back above 430, and there it is, a nice little red to green push there in the overall markets. And really what it comes down to is just understanding how the market reacts to specific scenarios. Guys, I've been doing this for over 17 years. I've seen many geopolitical situations, events, attacks on embassies, new wars. I've seen all of it. And understanding what the market cares about. And you have to set aside, I know this is a lot easier said than done. You really have to try to set aside your emotions and your feelings and your political beliefs and your affiliations and everything else when it comes to the stock market, because the stock market itself does not factor in those emotions when the markets are moving. The markets are, I know people joke around like the market's a living thing. It is actually not. The market does not have feelings. And if you make decisions based on emotions or based on feelings in any sense, when it comes to individual stocks or the overall market or what president is in office or who wins an election here or there, if you make decisions based on that and you allow your beliefs and your emotions and your opinions to get the best of your decision making, it typically leads you into making the wrong decision. A lot of people came into the markets today saying this is absolutely horrible what's happening over the weekend, and of course it is absolutely terrible. It is atrocious. We have members in True Trading Group that are in Israel. We have members in True Trading Group that are in Palestine. We actually have members that were in Gaza. So we have members everywhere. We are truly a global community inside True Trading Group. So taking aside the horrific humanitarian situation that we have going on, which obviously is just absolutely terrible, understanding what the market is going to care about with such a huge week allowed us to say, we think the markets are actually going to go green today. And that allowed members to capitalize on this price action and not get caught with, oh no, this is the start of World War III. Let's buy put options. Let's get short. And then you would have been absolutely steamrolled today as the markets ripped in the afternoon.